yeah, blood just everywhere. You know, I share the video.
Which blood?
Yeah?
Which blood?
And I said, Taco, he said the video that you play, I finished, say blood. Say they beat you. They beat. I say, eh? This say we which they will change.
You know, put
I beg, which
He
blood?
said they beat you, they judge you. I said, Taco. He said they injure you. We.
I beg, fellow Nigeria, see me, oh. He never reached how many days. See me.
I said, Taco, he said they beat you.
Who they beat to the angel?
So they beat you, they beat you. I say, eh? He said, okay. And God will save us.
He said, na security, they beat you. Security. Now I say for our brother.
Security make dog, baby, mama. Security will be beat like baby.
You want go jail. Now I said the thing shocked me for it's abroad again.
The one even they pay me for this matter. This boy, so if I know my Sharon shop before.
No.
Okay, that is I carry the code.
I beg. No gain of Yagbijue.
He record, they took his phone. She record, they took his phone. The time when she called, they said, you do this one. So.
I have records. When they started talking to that boy, when they started talking to that small boy,
I hope you record it.
But that boy get my shot. You come Italy. Who give her mind?
He saying they missing children.
Next time, Mama, you know your pull phone for video record. Put on for pocket.
No, the one where they record.
This is called the record now.
The one where they record everything. That one are for when elderly people they tell us say go and start this settlement from home. Exactly. You cannot come here and say you want your children. Call your family to go to the family, do what they ask you to do, and settle it before anything. So there is no ogun bijwa enogi.
Oh my God, I don't that finish it.
I dey come for a year tomorrow.
I never see this guy thing before for my life.
I dey come for a year tomorrow.
You don't do no call for any year. No call for any year.
You know why you feel cry. You know why you feel cry. Ogun go kill the court when you dey. You know why you feel cry. You know why you feel cry.
No to order, eh? If that court, they revalue.
You know why you feel cry. Why you dey beg for settlement. Why you beg make we remove everything from media. You know why. And I dey come for you from tomorrow. Ogun dey kill you now. See me. Where they beat. Where blood. Now your mama, your papa. Now your mama blood and your sister blood. Your bastard of a sister blood. Now go full everywhere.
Mama say me you bring her up. Bring it up.
Mommy, okay. Mommy, no, okay. Mommy, I will tell you everything will happen. I will tell you everything will happen for them.
My baby, fine girl.
Good evening.
How are you?
Good evening.
I
hope you are. Your phone not get, you not get lock, you not lock. May they not feel remove all those things where you record.
My phone, look, everything is being recorded. Even this one. My phone record, yeah, I locked it.
Okay, thank God. That one I want proof first. We'll put that one aside. I'm not just you know what show blood or they beat you blue and black.
Mommy, now my mama there, so I go tell her everything as it happen. Mommy, for months, now me they take care of Sharon children.
I know.
Now me they wake up 6 o'clock in the morning to make sure say they dress, go school, they eat, they come back. Now me they know. After year, after grandma, now me they know. Now me be the person. I live my life. I live everything. I live my house. I live everything.
I know it's so.
That's what friends supposed to.
Everybody.
When I see, was it yesterday? This stupid boy, when he said that him be the papa spend donor, he start to call with strange number. Mommy come tell me say this children papa your caller say in don't dey abroad. Don't dey abroad.
Who come tell like that, mama?
He say the boys in dey abroad in the radio. Now say the radio.
Who he call?
He can't call with Spain, France number.
Who he call?
He call here. He say in the Italy, in the radio. You the radio. You know fair cause say you they come. You not do anything. You know, like I say, how this boy take reach radio for person when not there abroad? How you take past Nigeria? How you take past everything? You come be say you just did radio. Where this boy did? Before you know, they come they stalk us. They stalk us. They find come us. He's saying they missing children. They making come.
Yeah.
He wants seeing children. He wants seeing children. I come there for me. I don't get problem, mommy. My priority now for the children to do okay. Say of any beef. You understand me? As true as they come reach, that they stalk us come house, that they stalk us go everywhere. I can't keep quiet. One man when they come from no time, I can't because every Sunday I they make the baby hair because the senior one is carry hair, but the baby hair they quit they scatter because you know say if children they eat they scatter their hair or they use it until they draw their hair.
Yeah.
I can't they try to make the baby hair. I come back and feed and do everything. Mommy can't carry us. So the inside can I want my call? He say the baby father they were in day now. Now mommy consider go do you. You don't ever insult your mama before. How even if you dare ring road, you dare Ogida, you won't go see person. You don't go tell who you won't go see. Say I can't see you. You just come abroad. You just start to the course. Say you want you dare abroad. You want to see your children. Who does that? Family never settle issues. Waiting family say make this boy do when this boy say wrong. This boy never do one. How you just say come abroad all of a sudden and you are asking to see your kids? It's not done anywhere. Because say why wanna see me finish because I quiet. Now my pikin die. Because he know they talk, the woman come they cry, come they come out down. The person when they come meet come they talk say he can say how this boy they come now saying the radio. He don't know say this boy they come abroad or not to talk or say he would say no normally your family and the family is supposed to settle this case.
Yes.
If they don't settle and finish, you know don't do it is when they say me you go do for the rights of the girl because now you kill him. Say you don't do one, they go allow you. You go come they see your children because now work all of us evil day. We don't get what we gain in return in taking care of Sharon's children. Because this where this matter don't they go now, it go tie everybody.
You go tile.
Now we can't go, we can't reach.
For the rose.
Now we can't go because
Thank
of
you,
that one.
sweetheart.
Mommy can't get to change where the children they say, why are they so like it can't be like children when they want to thief. Before you know, the Frank no time. Now so he carry the corners. Frank no time. You guys egg boy. You go no say saga go touch all of us body. This stupid man when they respect artist and a better person when saying in name na Frank no time. Now so they carry and come. He come. He press back. This woman already tell you say he no want see this boy. If there's anything that should be settled, he not be Okpamen family. Made this boy go meet Okpamen family, settle with Okpamen family. Then if you settle with Okpamen family, he not get say. He not just woman when they marry for them. This boy was not present in Sharon's funeral. He was not there. And now this boy, now he even do what he even kill the girl because of the stress and the trauma.
Yes.
He didn't go. At the end of the day, Izzy mama, they carry this boy, they take do best friend, then they call this boy, then they give this boy hope, then they tell this boy, say this boy go fit collect children from the grandmother, then they tell this boy, say yes, now his children, make it call collect the pikin. Isaac, if you feel collect this pikin,
But you no go fit collect am na. Na be the thing, no go fit na.
They couldn't deceive this boy to tell them
You no go fit
this
na.
boy
Because you not be Nigeria na.
go fit collect pikin.
No.
Make you come
Yeah,
carry
no
give
be
Mama
next. If he like,
Mama
see,
Lizzie.
if he like, may do DNA, do everything.
Mommy,
Because
you
the
know where
pikin na
my
him
mumu
go
for
choose.
still come? When my good heart no go kill me.
Eh.
If you kill me, no problem. When they talk, I can't see the fee for them. Even say I the verse for the boy, oh, I can't see the fee for them. Say, as far as he don't fit come at all, okay, no problem. Since he don't fit come at all, me now say my mind that they talk am. Before you know, they don't let that boy enter that place. Now me tell Frank, no time, that bastard of a man. When he wear white and white, when he start to fight me, they collect phone from my hand. Now me tell us say, go bring the boy, come. He say if
He can't define, he won't collect phone for your hand.
they collect my phone. Oh.
They collect your phone.
They collect my phone.
You not go do nucha.
No, me not this night it happen.
You know, you first go police station.
When we come there, another of my friend, which I respect so much, uncle. Now Frank not I follow come because if not be that one, I follow Frank not because if you even see the boy, na small boy, he never reached 28 years old. If I even see
Old people can't collect your phone. Now them easy.
yes, now them
Not
easy.
there. Oh,
Them
now them
easy
easy.
collect your phone.
Mommy, may you let me, mommy. Now you make me the judge here today. As the Frank no time. When he carry Izzy and him mama and all of them, say they carry the boy, they follow everywhere they go. What they don't go do for your family? He say if I even see the boy, now small pikin, that boy never reached 25 years old. He never reached 25 years now, so he never reached 25. But they say now 2 years, my late friend, because I was friends with Sharon, I never asked her about her lifestyle. I know they ask her, say your baby father. It's a disrespect to her. I don't know who she born for. Now the day when that picture come out for social media, now that day me myself see that picture for social media. Now that day I know say see who he born for he. Okay. Now they beg me, say now me go fit out to mommy. Now me they take care of the children, now me dey under the children, now me not be take care of the children, not be say I go come back. Oh. I did there full time, now my full-time job. Because the way it come be now, I want go. I don't go fit go die. I want go.
No, you
I want go. I don't fit die, mommy. Now full time a day. I don't find work. I don't do anything. Now me they dress them. Now me they bath them. Everything.
it don't matter. You don't know the way God will take pay you back.
but
Sense,
the
this one
stress
they
is
say
just
go. Why
too
you go
much.
say make go?
I go.
The stress is
The
just too
stress
much.
is too much. Because I don't see. Make them not go kill
Why
me.
you go say make go?
Make them not go kill me. I'm
It's too
leaving.
much.
I'm leaving.
Easy, make it come enter. Easy, come
Mhiz
enter, come
come
carry.
enter. Make she
Come
come
and carry.
enter. She with
If
her
that one
mama.
can please you.
I'm leaving.
Sharon,
It's okay.
I'm leaving. I never see you they do good. They suffer
Wait,
good.
No, that's everything be now for me. Oh, I will just advise you say.
But before you dey do that one, first go to Lucia
I
then
don't
to
leave the
borrow
rest
for
for
phone.
God.
Collect your phone back.
The boy come as the
The
boy
one
come. I
if you
look am.
egg him where that
You don't dey pass, be careful, save your
I
life.
look the
egg him
boy.
where
Before
that
you
make
know,
your life not
before
there.
you know,
Get me so,
they no get off. I use the Pikete threat to say the Sharon children want to do baptism in the enoge of your young bijou. Me they come
Where
for me.
Mudiane?
Hey, it's a boy.
Igwe no eti ebo gan.
Problem.
Na I no get fed for
You wait, yeah, no, even though you dey
call the course, I just they call on leave, you know. That one
Wait,
I
make
No,
I
see,
comot
may
for
I tell
here
you,
first
the
now.
main problem is
The one when me dey ask.
Now,
different.
Lizzie said that video now. No be Lizzie
me
said that
talk
video.
wetin happen today o una no know na me know wetin happen today I dey tell una no wan lis ten. The boy sit down, the two men sit down. Wetin you find come? He say in dey miss him children. Na say just be like say I go America go charge my phone. You dey miss your children. Now say why you not come when this girl go through process of 9 months? Suffer, do everything. Why this and now you dey come? Who bring you come? He say he come by himself. How you take reach our city when you dey so? How you take come this city? Because to come radio, how you take reach radio? You come, who go pick you? Who go pick you for airport? Where you don't know before, how you just say no go of the place, and you don't know people. I come to say, who dey under what you they do so? Your mama know. He say, your family know. Now say, why una see this woman finish? People when they come they talk. Now I come tell her say, you really want to know how your baby mama say, but I can't explain small for them. What did the girl go through? Before you know, other people come fair be happen. Fair be happen. Fair be happen. Mommy not know, he say, as we did there, this boy, he put phone for call. Because McDonald's near where we dey. He put phone for call, he can't be like who call, then made that they hear what he would settle.
Yes.
Who says some? Let me myself put my phone for record. Everybody come to and say, if you want this thing to be settled, go back to Nigeria. Go and start this settlement from home. Go and do it. If you really want your children, you want your children in your life, your children are very okay. Go and settle. Not know say this boy they come. He come to come collect children, make it for collect children, give Izzy and him mama.
It's not go possible.
Just as the first plan.
It's not going to possible now. You know
understand? The boy come the pity. I can't even they cry. The
see, may I tell you, to say collect those
now somebody, mommy.
Now kidnapper I bill.
Mommy, yes, now somebody na call us say, una dey settle matter, una dey the settle matter. Everything we una dey talk, they plan for McDonald's. They inside McDonald's. They plan for McDonald's. Everything una dey talk. Easy mama, they McDonald's. They wait for the boy.
Jesus. But why is the mama they do like this? Wait till this woman, wait till Mama Sharon do and reach like this. According to Izzy, when he said that when they work for company, you know, I know that.
Men, elderly men came out to settle issue. Izzy and Izzy mama na he drop the boy, give Frank no time. Frank no time come carry come up based on say Izzy no fit enter where Mama Sharon dey. Mama Sharon can never accept Izzy. They can't dey, but they can't say the boy say when they accept when they talk about the matter, put us on call.
Hey.
As we come out for the place,
Izzy go they do recording.
Yeah, as we come out for the place, elderly men came, Edo Union come, they even verse, they tell the boy say, you they wrong, say that this girl get tradition, say may you can't do what they right for this girl body. You go still go do one. Now go settle this matter, come out from house. You cannot settle this matter from abroad. Go and settle it from home. You come here abroad saying you are missing your children, you want to see your children. You cannot see your children. Of your I can't look. He just see that, hey, I want to see my daughter.
Alpha.
He won't even, he say, I want to see my daughter. You know, say, I want to see my child, I want to see my daughter, not see my brother. You can't see your daughter. But your daughters are okay. I'm the caretaker. I'm the one taking care. Go and do it what they ask you. Go and ask Okpamen's family what you are supposed to do. You can't see them. You say, okay. He put for call, make Izzy and the mama they here. As we go come up for the place, say, let people inform us, say, we dey settle matter for here. Another set, the McDonald's near them. When they hear everything, when would they talk? As we reach McDonald's, as I use the enter McDonald's.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma. As I use the enter McDonald's, see easy, mama. I don't want to mention another girl name. Even the man, Frank, no time we carry and come. Frank, no time they there. This small boy, when he say that he be the children papa, so he did there. Easy your old phone. He just start to put for video. As Easy put for video, and say, this boy they do, this girl they do video. Let me collect my phone. As I start to do video, now the man when saying that Frank no time start to follow me the fight. Make our video. I say I not go offer. Do you know say this small boy come and follow me the fight? Two of them, my phone, I don't see my phone. Two of them come and follow me the fight.
Yeah.
Now they take my, before you know, they don't come bounce out. Izzy mama you sit down. Izzy ya take baby because you are busy. Izzy ya take baby. Before you know this,
as they come back, you know say they carry your phone.
They collect my phone.
What did they want to take your phone do now? Tomorrow go do Nusha. Your phone get lock. Even here they open a shop. It get lock.
It get lock. My question. What's the best friend? When no agree, he did the same city. What do you want from this woman life?
Now wow. Huh. No, what me be say?
I don't tell all of
Mama
Sharon. I don't remove
see,
my hand
waiting at the
today.
come. Waiting
If mommy not do what he is supposed to do, I'm not going close to that family anymore. Because my life is at stake. They force me. McDonald's police come everywhere full.
Police come.
Police come everywhere full for McDonald's.
Yes, it's better.
They beat me.
It's better so that they would let the boy to. It would easy to they far away from those family and children.
Mama Izzy sit down for McDonald's now. All of them. Why Mama Izzy wants me, Mama Sharon suffer? And they tell her
No. Now
she
that
has
be
been behind.
why the woman want like that? Why?
They only bring this one charger for me weeks. At the end of the day, quarter when we get inside. How come no gain if I get some publishing?
You know now, he go put a no give for phone now. You know that one now.
And they want this
Before that they go there, he go tell a no gain now. You know as
no gain no say the boy don't come abroad. Izzy already tell him. He won't come collect children. He won't come collect children. Give Izzy now Ganoma beer.
Mama, go deal. Go, no verse, eh? Mama Sharon need to wake up. Now that place you just go police station. Go declare them.
You know why I say
Because
you need to wake up.
now you there, now you be there, now you there they fear. Make them not go carry sickness put for your enemy body. You still know.
You know why is mama have to they very careful, be fast.
Not be you.
I know the fight where
Mama Sharon need to take a step. It's not too much now. Because when you know
the fight where they get for company where they work before. When Izzy take shot say, waiting mama do in one fight back. Now they do this woman so. They have to wake up.
Mommy B, that one don't pass 9. Mama Sharon 9, she need to wake up because Izzy and Mama, they just want to do everything by me to be said that pikin they either social collector or they
they want me social collector and give them.
Now that place should just go donation and say this way.
No, social not fit collector. If the woman is responsible,
the Sharon friends get, but they bring and come out for this woman. Make this woman make it fight with back.
Mommy, Miss Golden, get nobody here set it here.
All this record where they hide, where this woman when they treat Sharon bad, make they bring and come out.
Okay, who charge?
Only you go there, they go beat you because now only you dead there. That one is
they beat me. They beat me.
Pick the comment.
Baby father when me come they beg for.
And I know say easy record you. Easy record you.
Baby father join.
No, you not tell police. You not kid that in paper.
Who they collect my phone? They collect my phone. Me they fight with bank.
Okay, the children they with you now, B.
No, we just carry them come out go safe place.
Yes.
If you ever see them. Tomorrow they go Questura.
Go police station. Go show. Go tell them say your phone lost. Show them your body where they beat. Because you be woman.
You know the boy name now.
And they go bring that Madonna get camera. If they deny the camera, you go ask for camera for that Madonna's.
I think the boy. You know the boy.
I just the enter. Easy your own camera.
Wait, you know the boy name. Forget about the camera.
Yeah, I know him.
You know the boy name. You write
I know him.
so that in paper. Wait, he newly reach abroad. He can't fight today abroad. You know the crime when he commit now. Big one.
Go the way I will say advice you. All the information when you get, just keep it because as you there, they keep everything. Anything when you do for Mama Sharon, do for this. Now you they do it for. Not be only Mama Sharon.
My sister.
Yeah, just
because
if they say you leave their bed, you still hold on.
If Izzy no can talk,
see you alone, Mama Sharon. Sometimes if you see alone, it does see Sharon also. I beg.
If Izzy no can talk, why Izzy carry this boy? He make sure say he carry this boy come abroad. He don't know where his friends' children dey. He make sure say he come to humiliate the woman. For evil when this boy do, for all the wrong when this boy do, this boy come abroad. Izzy go pick up. They keep her.
Then he make me say, Mama Sharon need to wake up. He's supposed to go give Izzy, go Oba Palace, go somewhere Izzy. It would they do baby papa for Europe also. You just say no they talk. Matter they turn every day. They don't want rest every blessed day. You go somewhere there. Now Freind when you meet for outside.
You go somewhere these two people make the house and say we great there. What I use my pikin take back with time.
Mona hold on, but Mona no verse. Miss Golden. Babe, I bet if you write me high for which number they go.
I know they do again. I don't tire. I know they do again.
Which number they go? Which number they go?
I'm frustrated.
Which number they go?
I'm depressed. This whole thing doesn't make sense anymore. I put my family at stake online. I don't get one dime. I don't get one dime. I don't get one dime.
No, they cry. That one don't do.
Don't need to cry. Don't do.
Go, they make you calm down.
You do make nothing record you. You don't do.
I don't get one dime.
I beg, no cry. As they cry now, they go they happy now. Mostly the easy way. They go they happy say and don't they meet now.
If Sharon, my family cannot wake up to fight for their dead,
no cry, yeah, beg.
If Sharon, my family say they not go feel wake up to fight for their dead, it's on them.
My question is, so that this guy go fit conjure rope. The guy born first speaking. You don't do
come.
The
get come picking when you get problem.
You second one, you no come. When you can't reach fight, you can't Europe.
They need to wake up. They need to.
Mama Sharon need to wake up.
You know, say Izzy talk as they
make it ask him see what he follow and buy.
God did not cry.
Mama Sharon need to wake up and ask him what he follow and buy. Now
your this one cry they front, not cry.
Okay.
So maybe this says it don't stay clear for those children.
If it don't stay clear, it's saying go make the woman like
Pikin will not be your
own. Head, she will for that woman to frustrate. Now she will use her head talking.
Just start here. Person say stay clear for me. You stay clear.
No
near me. No near her.
That one just call live video. Just the shots. And don't get we enter house. House. You don't too much.
Mama Sharon need to wake up now at least, because
if they don't wake up, I know people put my life
back. Mama Sharon need to wake up. This don't be matter say egg one. You understand? Person don't they talk. Things they spoil, they go. Things they spoil. She need to wake up and fight because now her grandchildren be all those ones. Now those children now represent Sharon now.
If the family want me to go ahead in taking care of their grandchildren, may they do what they're supposed to do.
Because they all relax, keep quiet.
The family didn't do anything, and I'm leaving. And I'm telling you all I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
They'll come here, carry the matter, go court. Now you go.
I'm leaving.
Okay, fine.
They come out in the morning because I don't use my life to play
Mama still there alive. Because never reach 18 years.
And again, Mama is enough for your tell say we will la wa family ma or say walking la wa. He just see the carry chest swallow a picky. Me no understand.
They don't see me saver. Oh, yeah, no, woman, now no let him make bina. You not only bija. Of your here na Yaroshime. In Yaroshime, I don't feel like say I get power now. I was the only one, and
because you know expect her now. You know expect
it. They
expect. Now no man thing be that one.
They attack.
Before you be woman, two men rush you. You try. They not see who do.
Bansa beat me. I beat Bansa. Bansa beat me. I beat Bansa.
You need to go lay complaint because that boss are not in a work. You're not supposed to talk to you.
Okpamen family. Mommy, sorry, say I dey come on public to talk. I not tell you. I'm leaving. I am leaving.
That bastard,
If you are not ready to take the first step,
not to
if
touch
you're not
person.
ready to do
Now, brother, we
anything,
get now. He
I'm
don't know in law. He don't know
I'm
war.
done. Because I'm not going to use my life to play
Cody is okay.
No,
It's okay.
I know they go back
Mona
there.
let God make decision of his choice. So because
I know they go back there.
Sharon,
No. I say make it not make decision. I say make it very calm. Make it not talk
Make
about
she calm down. Let
I
her
say make it not make a decision. Say make
You
it
know,
calm.
sense is too much.
They talk because this.
No, I'm not going back there. I'm not going back there. I've been through a lot. I don't get life of my own. I dey take care of children of my next friend. Why the best friend the family want to fight to get mama?
Woman don't die. They want to carry the children. This boy even get sense. Woman get better. You don't care.
You know if me never know the people
Woman don't die. You got that city easy. Is a matter yeta as la wa.
Let's enter us now. May you just leave this family alone, Jesus. Because the way she comes to this one, I can't be like say get what she want benefit. Now make she dey fight.
Evil friends. I beg go, my sister Mona.
Then beat you why you not call police.
Mona have friends, eh?
Call police.
Easy, don't make friend tire person.
I need that beg and there's a record. I will come out and play the record.
You know, say pikin see they go, if pikin see they do some kind things, mother go call and say, my pikin, la wo were la wa etienne. Sharon otwen oh money la wa. You know good now.
Now mama they support her, now mother they support.
Okay, the children na. Okay, if they can collect the children na. What they go fit do?
Which children they want collect?
No, for example, say they don't give the children. Now, which life they want to give the children where the mama no go fit give them?
I never see this kind of thing. You have the pray your friend, that mean you collect your friend children.
I just start here.
I never see this kind of thing from my life. The adult children, where is it go adult work?
Isaac, today the first time when you come abroad, now fight, you come fight.
Fight. That one alone says don't say the document. Come on, that flight to the way.
Mama Sharon got donation the boy. So that
they stop us. He wants safe children. Isaac, you see this thing where you feel say you can't do so. If you get away with them,
may let them. Now, then I make social media don't count. May wait, make they break tomorrow.
The boy na really small boy, sharp. Because if not be small boy, if you're supposed to.
If you see the video where no get show, hold on. You see that video where no get show. That other person when wear jeans jackets, when stand outside, that be the boy.
That be the boy. See, you're not small boy.
Una good morning, my sisters.
That be the boy.
Sharon, your good no go kill you. I will say there, una. This thing is so painful. It was very much. Can the best be this?
Yeah, go make me now.
Which can the best be this one? Wait question we me want ask. It get as easy go fit love Sharon pass him mama.
No.
It
get as easy go fit love Sharon pass him mama. Why easy come say since where this woman die, not go let this woman rest?
Okay.
Easy one make this woman enemy get BP. Make the concern na bad when the woman
gets already. She gets.
Now you kill the woman.
Wahala wasn't better. Miss Good. Oga gave no jail because we are. Ije mana ipagbe because it disgrace na.
Igwe bejo imana miemi na ya suwe die sagele suwe mi ne. Eni ya suwe mi. Igwe bejo na
ago egbina. Vogi digbina no gi egbina bobo na do uma ba no yin. Weni ya moin. Oteme egijo because ijo ya fe ne okwo na ma pagbe. Oni ya feel ye. Because on my kenny money, don't kenny money or pagbe since that. Abuwa ni eba. Oviere yai. Don't that look on here say been a rovi family lore. We manana.
Na agi gbemi.
Oviere yai.
And they Miss Godi phone when
is your my can je call the police nesi on my moto not here police. Okpamen we boy na kere we boy 10 years o kere we bo. Oje umwe. When Miss Good.
Especially like mama.
Miss Golden. That your phone where they collect from your hand. Since you not see who collect am, Wahala Ziki in your ear.
Yeah, you know what
if you see the video, from no time, he get another person where wear white and white. And they go play CCTV for McDonald's.
Yes.
Me they go McDonald's tomorrow. What go happen? What go happen? Na Italy, they get documents. They go play CCTV, my phone go come out.
Exactly.
My phone go come out. Easy negbema be yoko, easy negbema rana afio bogi me.
Miss Godwin, you know what it is.
Mama, you boka.
The thing where they surprised me for inside this matter now, see. You see when they accuse when a power accuse person that time say the thief he good. You see that boy, mama. You see the way they go fight for a picking way they are.
I tell ya, Mama Sharon just keep quiet.
He leave everything where they do. He go at TV. He go market. He go palace. He go everywhere. I know say mama na quiet.
Now wait till my mama go see do be that one.
You know say I know say mama na quiet person, but this one don't pass. Be careful. Mama no go out there alive. Izzy fair contribute to wetin by pikin. No.
Izzy expose Sharon to everybody. From when she take a coma.
You know we are for Miss Godwin, you know we are for fear Izzy. Now when that voice record of that baby papa come outside, no
Izzy
matter
gonna cry. Izzy gonna cry. Say who bring her come out?
No
When bring her come out at this
no
time?
matter wetin Izzy hold against that her friend, because
Izzy
I say this one make all of us get sense. Me, I don't block up bestie. I don't want bestie. It must be normal friends.
Say don't block up bestie.
I don't block up bestie. I don't want get bestie because which guy? Okay, don't call her Oyibo. That one not do you. No. Children where she live her life. I not be even the last one they do how. Now that first one, I want your kids. That matter.
Do you know say Izzy talk of recent when that boy record come and say, the second picky papa go come out. Best friend.
Imagine. Mona hear wetin best friend.
The best friend say, who saying that he get the second picky? He go come out because the Izzy they cry when that record come out.
Izzy na evil friend. That be today Izzy.
Sharon,
You see what this is boy do your friend. You see what this boy do your friend when she dey alive. And my mind, I'm 100% sure say even when Sharon dey alive, Sharon dey complain give Izzy about this boy.
Sharon friends, let me tell you, God know why not make me a friend on time. Sharon no get friend. Sharon friends no secrets. So many secrets will make that get die.
Miss Godwin, you know why? You know why?
Coming out
But make the go talk now.
Miss Godwin, you know why? You know why all of them they appreciate she because she was too beautiful. She too past all of them. She too past all of them. Right? Make when this thing happened to her, almost let's say 90% of them were happy. Now, because if not, how can you tell me that they will be alive and the mother is going through this and this is mother now the children deal with and this
Miss Godi, I want to ask question. The security.
Why Miss Godi, I beg me I could ask Miss Godi question. That why you not call one boy follow body to dance pass that they come dance so that make them forbid that boy.
No, this as we settle and finish with them.
Make them forbid her give her to police because na thief. Person wey use this enter you if you come person wey get document make you come beat her. Ah God.
Miss Godi, if you see security touch you, if you touch you, he no get right to touch you. He walk like
you get right to say you come and drop body.
If you dey go tomorrow, go police station direct. And make sure say the boss when you get that Madonna, their chef, come down. Because your leg complain, say he touch you. You're not supposed to touch you.
If you go to
use this gun when they're supposed to ban. If Italian police your cash and say person beat her today, they'll ban her for Italy. They'll ban her. If you know it happens, you know. Say
make she not use violence. So
no use violence. No use violence. But don't say I don't use violence. Now violence somebody. No use violence.
I beg. Very important. Make she not use violence. Make she not use the law. You know say. Easy. If you dey listen to this video, I don't say she dey here. You dey follow Miss Golden, they pass everywhere we go. Easy now Ogun na go kill you. Izzy na God go punish you.
You not give the boy details. Don't say fight talk
Izzy,
about that video. That they say the boy will come. Say the boy
If I
will
tell you the way people can't dislike you because of this Sharon matter,
it's a career work for her.
Dislike you.
Evil friends every
You
day.
make best friend tire all of us.
No, na girl says so.
You make to do friend. To do friend, you use and tire everybody for you. You cannot tell me I don't know how you take the sleep in the night. Knowing say the person where you claim say you love, who the children they with, you know they give that person peace morning, afternoon, evening. Easy, you want to thief children will not be your own. Easy, that they do surrogacy. Easy, you claim to be an educated person.
Surrogacy too high, they adopt.
Easy, you claim to be an educated person. Money where you take carry Sharon baby papa come abroad. You know what you should say do surrogacy. Easy, money where you take carry this boy because me looking at that boy. Now let you they pay the boy say the boy rich, the boy rich, the boy rich. The boy rich, but now Sharon they take care of himself for abroad.
I just not so easy na educated illiterate too. Because the person when go school know the jobless saga na God will punish your entire family.
Who be that man
you know what I say na God will punish your entire family. If na so that they do your own mama, go better for you. May God punish you. Punish you.
I don't block her.
Punish you na generation. Useless people. How woman go there? Like the thing just they pay me. If they pay me,
before they do all those things, they all weigh Mama Sharon, they weigh and they look outside, they look at left, they look at right.
They know they do this type of
Mama Sharon,
why Mama Sharon?
She never hold like that. Which can quiet be that one?
Because
push up for inside
how many years are they bully of you? Bully.
I just tired.
They
follow the fight.
It took calm. Muslim men understand.
No, I'm not going back there.
Miss God, you don't go take a beg you.
They go again.
Don't they receive this?
Waiting on Sunday program tomorrow morning. Maybe my son go police. I mean, you go donation there. Everywhere you're good. Don't be saying, oh, there is this kind of thing they happen. They fight. They fight you.
We know Jesus.
Because now those children are Sharon children, and I be our children now. When she supposed to fight for, as I she not fit fight for Sharon. Tell me Sharon they are alive. Now the children she need to fight for. She just keep calm.
Mama, see, you know what? Mama Sharon, she's supposed to go judge to market women. She go about palace. She go judge to everybody. She go they judge the matter. They go say make it. See, they for don't draw easy now. They for don't draw.
Mama go catch fire for this.
They just say Mama Sharon take action since then. This boy for not go Europe. If I not come,
no, tomorrow
because this boy don't even where Mama Sharon no say. The woman not the chop.
Yes, now. Before you people they do all those control, do all those things. They don't already wear Mama Sharon say.
Sorry, I say I love waiting this boy do because if na Mama Sharon,
sorry.
If na Mama Sharon did this condition, you know say Mama Sharon not go use this thing to play. When he hear Sharon, when he hear Sharon, no little money. Nigga pack be easy.
So this boy go fit call Europe. Where Sharon won't go? Why this boy not come help?
My dear, wrong.
Listen, na France the boy enter. Na France never enter.
Na France he enter.
I believe that.
Na France visa use. Not be even Italian visa.
Na France.
France visa the.
If you see what we talk, na so the boy they carry.
Easy no fit carry aunt come abroad. You never work before. Na handicap. Easy handicap.
Handicap. Nowhere. Who do wrong? I would try to settle this matter. Everything I recorded all. I don't know why. When I see the body do for one, can I say in the record? It comes in now I put my own for record.
If the boy carries something because normal boy we're ready to come settle a family while see children, not go even record to start with. You not go even call people where them are done.
You don't know where to the boy no one can carry children. The boy want to thief children. Now is the son that come and thief children.
If you want to settle with the grandmother, if you're not
no be settle. Is Izzy naga. Neti were baby a dag mo. May you may hope. Na Izzy tell us say come connect your children.
But Izzy, you wicked though. You wicked.
Izzy wants make the boy connect the children.
Izzy no be your problem for the family. Now that me they ask whether something they down, whether something really they as in something they. Because this matter don't too long for ground.
Na jealousy, jealousy.
Because now maybe don't wrong. There's no way you let them.
But now who nonsense? Rubbish.
Fight for us.
Because you get something, my man they tell me say something they did down where easy they try drag. Me no one know.
What in the apple?
Whether Sharon EPZ carry the children or because if you born out video, Sharon call it a turn up for our own. We don't know.
No, you know what easy. You know what easy they talk since when they born is speaking. Easy saying that their house.
Good day.
Sharon stay. My brother first speaking. So because of that one,
good morning.
Now she get right pass.
I bet who carry this matter on social media?
No girl. I'm when in a video in my agbena Madonna Smena.
I the corner. Wait, I the corner. One condense. Who carry the matter on social media? Now you feel video be?
No.
No, brother, can make I explain. We did brother. We did Mewa platform. So brother, what they talk about this DJ something. This issue went they grand. So I said, Brahma call the tell the table. I call the watcher. So that person call Brahma for phone. He called the give her the details. Say today, say people, Sharon baby papa come radio. He called they explain how the detail happen. Brafra say Sharon baby papa they Italy they radio. Now the boy say yes.
I don't tell. I don't tell. Okay, I don't tell.
And after they don't turn that person call her. No be you now one brother. He calls na one of his friends. Now he call her. So as he call the call, he called they explain to us. That person call ask Brafra say you sure say na truth. Brafra call say okay, make it call another person. Make it because I make call Goldie. As he call Goldie, he calls a Goldie number not go. So he call another person. So that the person call tell us say na truth. Say the boy call say this person even dead there. Izzy and the mama they sit down for McDonald's. The boy called they explain. So Brafra called they explain to us. That's what we tell you. After Brafra cut video, then no get call live video. That's what they take happen.
Okay, there is a fake account. Okay, who
sent? Not fake account. That person called Brafra for phone. That phone.
No. Who sent
the video when me see. They no get the talk. Say me they see me oh. May they see my life oh.
Yes, I don't get play video where.
Okay, now if can come.
Yeah, I know you can come.
May everybody see.
Yes, I play the video. Yeah.
Zalam when business on we will be presented something go ever reach our hand. We no go ever wait midday break 2 o'clock for night present our carry some. Rasha, no good night.
Good night. Because when Brahma may even talk the matter, not even saga the boy, you put the boy picture. Because you talk it, not even saga, not even cause.
If you even see the boy,
you don't even cause the boy, you talk. Even everybody can come up, even Mama Beatrice Sobaka.
Even the way the boy they do now, I sure say a very small boy. But if I really mature man, really mature boy, you don't know where boy start the settlement.
Where Frank Mewa talk the thing, you know saga the guy now. You just talking. So that not get go show video. Go the saga.
You go to me, you try me, you relax, so yeah.
You know saga.
You know saga the boy, no. You just talking.
It not go better for you, easy. As you say, you not go let this woman forget her pain. As you say, now every day you go say they remind this woman of her pain. Easy, no
with mama,
better for you. You not go know better thing for your life. Easy, mama, you dey alive. Your pikin not give another woman away.
Now mama even dey follow her.
You not give another woman peace. You say you not go let Mama Sharon see her take care of her grandchildren.
Easy. Now God now go punish you this night. You see this night now where all of us take out for here now.
See us, Frank even thought this matter. I wish I know you just think of match like that. Just talk. You don't want first start. Hey, you know what the apple. Hey, I call the same. You talk the thing now. We don't already know. You know, more than put her for comment section. You know what the apple. So they say no. So they say now. May you talk. He say, Sharon, baby, now for my man. Now say, you want us to the friend? No, say this boy.
Miss Godin. Miss Godin, are you there?
I did.
Drop this person. No go now. This star person. Drop him. Or you know you find out where na any drop him. We know you. We just say you know we don't know you.
Miss Godin, why go? Miss Godin, agani aya agbu weni. Ije Sharon gareba.
Iya magbe mo go gbin e, o do mo no ti gbin me.
Eri ma hon na aya wi agbo wi awere. What ije Sharon gareba. Okay. Ite wa gareba yana kwase ai wa agbu we te we very bad.
Amagbe me no gbe bansa.
You can we agbu ege.
When no say wetin go happen now. Izzy no go she no go video that part when you dey beat the bouncer. She no go video that part where you dey beat the bouncer. La because shame no go let am post.
My dear sister, and when we have a low, wonder
takabo.
For me, what if since no ya we no nyak ma ati okba so me. No nya.
No basta. Me ekere na e me na me ni je me ya bagbe. If any mother cannot stand up for her child, I'm done. I never feel like say.
So what you we only me wa me we have you tell say I you time my dear sister.
The Lord is your strength. So the Lord is your strength.
O maka wejo egbe we wa marry late in any way. Wa agwa wa no nyamo si mi o mo understand the child. The man the so yak pe sha. O se niko Izzy yo siko. O se azeti ma leru we ivi emoni ma bi ni ya yo bi ni ya si awo se dan kegbe. O siko ni na o siko na iko. O siko. O mo bi ewu o bi re ma mi pisi wa fi e kin akole. No. Even so they heartless Igbesha. To pay me, child.
Make Miss Goldie follow that brother advice just now. If Mama Sharon not fit take up this matter, she should remove her hand from this case because the insult is too much. The insult not good over there. Be say me do Izzy not let her see her do the good. Izzy not let Mama Sharon see her take care of her grandchildren. Izzy your turn to a guinefo her. He say he go school, educated illiterate.
We no say ya call you gonna Izzy.
Yan worry webo. Yan worry doom.
I guess it's like that way and those people government no ye ke come etin. Eni ewu ni o nge mari egbejo. O ma no vie ewu no rahi e wa agbo esin mi mo. Understand sha. Wow, mi sonu sha. We bonari abi ni bugbe sha.
Oh wow.
My dear sister.